Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify a nice radical problem. Here cube root of 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 plus cube root of 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here assume m is equals to cube root of 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 plus cube root of 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Now put a is equals to cube root of 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 and b is equals to cube root of 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Here if we take cube both sides then a cube this is equals to 45 plus 29 times square root of 2, and here if we take cube both sides then b cube this is equals to 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Let us consider this is an equation number first and this is an equation number second. If we add both the equations then in left hand side a cube plus b cube and this is equals to in right hand side 45 plus 29 times square root of 2, 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 plus 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Then this expression is positive and this expression is negative, so both expressions are cancelled out. In left hand side a cube plus b cube this is equals to 45 plus 45 is 90. A is equals to cube root of 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 and b is equals to cube root of 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Let us consider this is an equation number third and this is an equation number fourth. Now multiplied both the equations, then in left hand side a times b this is equals to cube root of 45 plus 29 times square root of 2 is multiplied by 45 minus 29 times square root of 2. Here we will apply this rule, a plus b times a minus b this is equals to a square minus b square. If we apply this rule b this is equals to cube root of, here we will apply this rule, then 45 square minus 29 times square root of 2 bracket power 2. In left hand side a times b this is equals to cube root of 45 square is 2025 minus 29 times square root of 2 bracket power 2 is equals to 1682. Then a times b this is equals to cube root of 2025 minus 1682 is 343. Then a times b this is equals to, this expression is same as 343 bracket power 1 over 3. A times b this is equals to 343 is 7 power 3 bracket power 1 over 3. Now we will apply this rule, a power m bracket power n this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule here then in left hand side ab this is equals to 7 power 3 times 1 over 3. Then this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out, then value of a times b this is equals to 7. Now m is equals to, this expression is a and this expression is b, so here m is equals to a plus b, m is equals to a plus b, m is equals to a plus b, and if we take cube both side, in left hand side m cube this is equals to a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab is multiplied by a plus b. Then here m cube, this is equals to a cube plus b cube. We know that value of a cube plus b cube is 90 plus 3 times value of a times b is 7 and a plus b is m. Then m cube, this is equals to 90 plus 3 times 7 is 21m. If we take all the expressions in same side, then m cube minus 21m minus 90, this is equals to 0. Here we have a cubic equation, m cube minus 21m minus 90, and this is equals to 0. So first we will make factor in left hand side. Here if you substitute m is equals to 6, then 6 power 3 minus 21 times 6 minus 90. 6 power 3 is 216 minus 21 is multiplied by 6, then you will get 126 minus 90. Then you will get 0. It means m is equals to 6 is a solution of this cubic equation. M is equals to 6 is a solution. If m is equals to 6 is solution, then you can say m minus 6 is a factor of this cubic equation. Now m cube minus 21, m cube minus 21, m minus 90 divided by factor of this cubic equation is m minus 6. M square is multiplied by m, then you will get m cube. M square is multiplied by minus 6, then you will get minus 6 m square. Here minus and here plus. Then this m cube is positive and this m cube is negative, both are cancelled out. Here 6 m square minus 21 m minus 90. If we take 6m, this 6m is multiplied by m, then you will get 6m square plus 6m is multiplied by minus 6, then you will get minus 36m. Here minus and here plus. This expression is positive and this expression is negative, then both are cancelled out. Here minus 21m and here plus 36m, this is plus 15m minus 90. Now here if we take 15 and this 15 is multiplied by m minus 6, then you will get 15m minus 90. Here negative sign and here positive sign. This expression and this expression is cancelled out because this expression is positive and this expression is negative. Here this 90 is negative and here this 90 is positive. So here remainder is 0. Now factor of this cubic equation is m minus 6 is multiplied by m square plus 6m plus 15, and this is equals to 0. Now we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Suppose this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule, then you can say m minus 6, this is equals to 0, or m square plus 6m plus 15, this is equals to 0. Here m is equals to 6. And here we have a quadratic equation, and look carefully this given expression. This number is real number. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 6 and value of c is equals to 15, and discriminant of this quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 6 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is 15. Then here 6 square is 36 minus 4 times 15 is 60. 36 minus 60 is minus 24. Discriminant of this quadratic equation is negative. It means no real roots. Here m is equals to 6. It means value of this expression is equals to 6. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.